business owners, inspectors, investors, what are you working on right now that's going to make you different next year? What projects, what personal development, what new practices and skills and classes are you putting into yourself that's going to make you different next year? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants, WBTC3.com. We talk to and work with a lot of inspectors, a lot of clients, a lot of property managers, owners, investors. And the thing I consistently come back to is, what are you investing your time in now that's going to change your life in a year? See, a lot of my inspector friends have a lot of tools in their trunk for a lot of new skills they've learned. But then when they keep having to do 200, 250, 300, 350 inspections a year to make the kind of money they want to make, they wonder why that's not changing. Well, my friends, I love the skills that you have, but the skills you have now are not going to take you to the next step. You need new skills. So slowly over time, less and less tools are in my car and more books are in my car. Then along with the books, we added video equipment. We added more trainings. We added more meetings. We added more video calls. We added more online resources, because that's going to change for us over time in order to grow. What are you doing right now that's going to change your life in a year? Thanks for watching, guys.